don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're updated on my new videos. Thanks. What is up, Vnation? So right here we have a 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe. I did a wheel bearing on it. It was pretty loud when you were driving down the road, so I replaced it, and it's fairly easy to do. You can probably do this at home. So first things first, you have to remove the axle nut, which is 32 millimeter, and then remove the brake caliper. So the bracket for the brake caliper is 17 millimeter. That's two of them. And then for the wheel bearing, it's a bolt-on type, so it's a 14, and there's 4 of them. So yeah, guys. And torque spec for the axle nut is 171 foot-pounds, I believe. I will put it in the description below after. Anyways, I just want to quickly show you guys what this Hyundai Santa Fe looks like. So that's what it looks like, guys. It's pretty nice. It's pretty cold today, guys. It's like -1, and it's calling for snow later, so yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks again for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like, share, subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.